I don't care if Annie never comes back. She'll be 21 soon and more trouble than she's worth. Just like her late mother. But to take Anna away like that amounts to kidnapping. And she expects me to give in to everything that she wants. When Annie was Anna's age, their mother ran off to Singapore and took the children with her.
Criminal offences. Not good for Datuk reputations, you know.
I think I'll have another one.
Ali,
You want another beer?
No thanks. I think I have to take her to the vet. She has some infection. Anyway, Dato',